Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Mirchi, your go-to-go platform for learning, internships, jobs, and so much more. In today's video, I'll walk you through our website, which is totally based on coding environment. But right now we are launching our job architecture first. So let's start with an important bonus tip that will save your time. Whenever you see a job role like software developer on our LinkedIn or WhatsApp group, remember these tips. Head over to the Coding Mirchi website. In the jobs section, you can find this jobs. Go to the job section and use the search bar to type the exact role name you saw. For example, I saw a role summer analyst. I will simply type here summer analyst. It will appear. But if I type any other role, for example, I type front end developer, it will not appear. So this is a very important tip and bonus tip for you all who are on our coding community groups, whether it is LinkedIn or whether it is WhatsApp community. We post jobs there daily basis, and this sheet is also updated on the daily basis. So you can simply join our WhatsApp groups and LinkedIn pages that is in our description right now. This is our homepage. We just launched our website, so don't worry. We only provide authenticated jobs and verify each and every job with manual handling. So right now this is a nav bar, and in the nav bar, you can see a job section here. In the job section, you can find the Campus Ambassador program. If you are in the first year or second year here, this is made for you. As a campus ambassador, you get to represent Coding Mirchi in your college, host events and competitions, earn certificates and exclusive perks in the Campus Ambassador button, and simply find out the informations regarding the Campus Ambassador program. You can find what you gain. In this, you will gain official offer letter, certificate of appreciation or participation, LOR for active contributors, early access to exclusive job internships opportunities, leadership experience that strengthens your career. Now, for applying it, you can simply lead to here and apply now. Click on the apply now button. A form will be appeared. Fill this form from starting to end and provide all important and required fields. And you are up to go for an interview call. That's it for the Campus Ambassador program. You can simply find our website on Google by searching Coding Mirchi, or there's the link also in the description here. Every job listed here is manually verified by our team. We make sure there are no scams, no fake recruiters, only real opportunities for real talent like you. Using the search bar. Now, when I say using a search bar, you can simply find the jobs. But if you want to browse all the jobs, don't have a specific role or a job in mind, no problem. Just scroll through the page and explore all jobs you will find from companies in tech, startups, product-based companies, and much more. So this is like all about our video. We work hard to ensure that you get reliable, scam-free, and exciting opportunities every day. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Coding Mirchi. And don't forget to join our LinkedIn and WhatsApp community because we post daily. This is Akash signing off. Team Coding Mirchi wishes you all the best. Keep coding, keep growing, and keep spicy.